Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to do content marketing in Pakistan. Content marketing is a great way to get people talking about your products and services. Whatever products you have, it is essential to start a content marketing strategy and go ahead from there. Content marketing is also a great way to engage your customers. Most of the people read content and it persuades them to either buy the product or pass it. So the first step is to define your content marketing goal. Why are you doing content marketing in the first place? Before you look at what you are going to create, you need to answer why you are making it. All content marketing starts with a goal. Like anything else, content marketing also starts with a clear objective, and it has to be concise, and it should represent your reason for being in business. The second step is research and understand your audience. Research and understanding your audience is also very important because once you have a clear connection to why you are making content, the next logical step is to understand exactly who is going to see that content, who is going to consume it, and watch the content that you create. The next step is to create an audience persona, how your audience would look like, the generalized representation of your ideal customer. These personas are constructed by identifying your ideal customers and gives you an idea of how to relate to these people. If you have a younger audience, then they would most probably be on Facebook or Twitter, and if you have an older population, they would be maybe on YouTube or something like that. You have to identify where you can find your target audience. If these people are younger, then they would most probably be on social media, and if they're older, they would most probably watch television. Creating your audience personas. The next step is set up your blog. Even if you don't have a blog, then it is easier to create one through WordPress, and it is time to move from a tactical to a technical part of your content marketing. If you haven't set up a blog or found a place to host the content, now is the right time to do so, and you can use WordPress as well. There are other options like Blogger, content management systems that actually exist. Update your current content. If you have already been publishing, there is never a bad time to reevaluate your content marketing and shift gears if something isn't working. You need to tweak the results, and you need to set a measuring criteria for your content marketing strategy. If some portions of the strategy are not working, then you can tweak them, reanalyze where you are going wrong, and start all over again. Brainstorming ideas and do keyword research. At this point, we know why we are creating content and who our audience is. The next step is decide which format of content you want to produce. Is it going to be video format or is it going to be written format? Blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, they all have their own place. They all have their place in your content strategy, and it is up to you how you use them. The next step is outlining which tactics you are going to experiment with. Now that you have got your content together, how are you going to promote or distribute it? You can also use social media to promote your content. It is pretty much impossible these days to separate your content marketing strategy from your social media, strategy basically. You can also use paid ads on Google and YouTube. This is also a pay to play model. Google ads and YouTube ads are a good method to promote. So this brings us to the conclusion of this video. A content marketing strategy is a great way to get people talking about your products and services. Content marketing is also a great way to engage your customers. And a proper call to action is also extremely important while writing the copy. Once you have everything in place, now you can present the content to your customers and see what works and what does not work for you. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a nice day.